It's another epic buybacking for 2022. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's not another epic buybacking for 2022, it's the first epic buybacking for 2022.
And that's the first time you've sung, I think, this year, isn't it?
You're correct. And I'll keep doing it. It is the first time.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, what do we got?
We have got an epic Perth Mint coin buybacking.
Absolutely. This is from one customer.
It is, and they're all pretty much all in sealed tubers.
Yeah, except for a couple of half tubers right there. Those little smalls. These are all sealed rolls. And let's take a little look-see. We've got some... what do we got here? We've got some cooks.
Wedgies and lots of different years of cooks.
Yeah, and a few rolls of wedge-tail eagles as well.
Yeah.
Oh, this is going to set up a maelstrom of interest.
It is.
What are we going to do?
The problem is that we can't spend hours going one of these, one of these, one of these, one of these. So we're actually going to put them up as just one generic, Joe will provide the link, but one generic Perth Mint buyback, 1 ounce or something like that.
We've got an old SKU. It's a random date.
Okay.
We'll call it that. So it's the random date Perth Mint silver coin, something like that.
And you'll see the link below.
Yep.
So click on that, go to it, and you can buy 1 or 101 of the random date Perth Mints, but they are random. You can't say, I want 3 from the pile on the left, I want 2 from the wedge tail in the middle.
Yeah,
and
that's right.
It's literally, we're going to put them in a box.
Yep.
The same as we did a while ago with one of our specials where we said it was just lucky dip.
Yep.
This is effectively going to be the same.
Yep.
You will get what you get, and you might get all of the same.
Yep.
You might get a selection.
Well, I would suggest that the very first buyers, I was going to say the first buyers, because not necessarily the first buyers get picked first. Depends.
It depends on payments, actually.
Yeah,
it comes through
true,
in order
actually.
of payment received.
That's true. What I was going to say is, if we have a whole bunch of rolls, when we're picking a particular customer's order and they've ordered 20, well, we'll just pick a roll. So they would probably get one of the same thing if they've ordered 20. There's 20 in a roll. See what I'm saying? But yeah, definitely no guarantees that you get the same everything and that you get a particular thing.
I'll tell you what we will attempt to do.
Yeah.
If you're buying 20, because they come in rolls of 20, if you're buying 20 and you want them all of the same type, you can put all the same in the notes.
Yep.
If you're buying 20 and you want a mix, just write mix in the notes. And I'm not guaranteeing, but we will try and do that for you.
Ooh, you're throwing out extra little things here.
So we will try, but at the end of the day,
no guarantees.
No guarantees.
Fair enough. But look, I think people are going to be eyeing off a couple of these. There's some good years in here. There's the 2019. There's the 2019 Wedge-tail Eagle. I think there's 2020 Cooks, which are the best.
My favourite year.
Yeah, I love that year.
I love that design.
I love that year, the anniversary design. But again, you get what you get, and you're getting it at a really decent price for basically, look, they're
not basically brand new.
They're pretty much, well, they're not brand new, but I mean, they're in pretty much mint condition in their rolls.
They haven't seen the light of day since brand new.
Yeah, there you go. And so less than brand new price as well. So what are we doing them for? We are doing them for, drum roll please, $6.50 over spot, which is pretty darn good.
It certainly is for these.
Yeah.
Particularly previous years ones, because they do escalate in price, so you're getting these cheaper than them.
And you may get, although we're not taking requests, you may get some Wedge-tail Eagles, which from my understanding have a limited mintage.
They absolutely.
They all do, don't they?
They all have limited mintage.
Oh, yeah.
But you're right, the Wedge-tail Eagles are more limited than the kookaburras are.
But we're not taking requests.
No, we're absolutely not.
So lucky dip, think of it like that. We gave you all those caveats right there. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. I will put a link specifically to this sale page in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment. What else do they need to know?
That's it.
All right, share.
Once they're gone, they're gone.
Once they're gone, that's it. And we had 460 of them in total. So just that's what you know as the starting point.
Yep.
Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. It's going to be a pretty cool 2022, I think, if we get lots of epic buybackings like this.
It's going to be a great 2022.
Yeah. Well, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.